for a lightweight dual sport that can handle the trails and the traffic? The 2026 Kawasaki KLX 300 might just be your next adventure-ready ride. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest in bikes and gear so you can ride smarter. Today we're talking about the newly updated 2026 KLX 300. Kawasaki's go-anywhere machine with a reputation for reliability and fun. Design. The KLX 300 keeps its rugged dual-sport DNA but comes sharper than ever in 2026. With fresh bodywork, updated graphics, and a more streamlined profile, it looks just as good on the street as it does deep in the woods. Performance. Under the tank, you've got a fuel-injected 292 cubic centimetre liquid-cooled four-stroke engine. Smooth, responsive, and surprisingly punchy for its size. Whether you're commuting, carving up fire roads, or exploring single track, the KLX delivers predictable power and confidence-inspiring handling. Features and tech. Kawasaki has fine-tuned the suspension for a more planted feel off-road, while keeping comfort high on the pavement. The digital dash is crisp and now includes a gear indicator, finally. You also get switchable ABS, which is a welcome touch for riders who love control on technical terrain. Conclusion. The 2026 KLX 300 isn't trying to be flashy. It's built to ride, and ride well. If you're after a dependable dual sport that strikes a solid balance between dirt and street, this might be the one. Like what you heard? Drop a comment, hit that like button, share this with your riding crew, and subscribe for more two-wheel insights, right here on Next Gen Reviews.